Pawpaw Sammy here. This morning, I'm gonna set up my okra beds. See that bed right there? Hadn't been in use for quite a while. Oh, I don't know. I had potatoes in there 3 or 4 months ago. Now, I'm gonna show you how I set my beds up when I need them. I'm racing the rain to plant my okra. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but that thunder is rolling back. It's not that far away. So I'm gonna try to get the okra seed in the ground. Okay, I have it all degrassed and raked up. There's some corn shucks, some lemon peels, eggshells. Good Lord knows what else in here. I have a habit, any seeds I have left over, I'll throw them in one bed. As per se, blackberries, tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce in that little thing right there. Watermelon, blackberries. Can't even think right now. Anyway, but here's just tomatoes. I have asparagus, figs, and onions growing right there. I just plant wherever and whenever I feel like doing it. You hear that thunder in the background? I just finished. In this bed, I cleaned it and I put it back in use today. All right, I got okra, carrots, beets, and white parsley. Not parsley, I'm sorry. Anyway, I'd have to look at it again. Radishes, white radishes. But anyway, I got it planted. Plus I strewed handfuls of wildflower seeds in there. So when it grows, I'll have vegetables, okra, and it'll grow. That dirt's so rich, it's almost comical. There's the rain, people. I beat it. It's just now starting. Hear it in the background? I was lucky. I got it finished, thank goodness. There it is. See the grass clippings on it? I always do it. This time, I didn't put the cardboard down, then the grass clippings, because the rain was coming, you hear it? I'll pay for it later, but for right now, I got done what I had to do. This bird, right there, was in my garden. Not the close one, the far one, on the other side, turning the cardboard over, eating insects, more than likely eating my worms. But I'm not going to complain. They get the insects out of the yard.